Good morning, all of you. So, I have completed your fifth importance, okay? Fifth importance of organizing that we have completed yesterday. Today, we will continue with the sixth one, that is adaptation to change, okay? Now, you need to understand this point properly. Adaptation to change, you know that external environment, okay? Once the production unit is there, in that they are organizing the things, they have organized the things, but in the external environment there are many changes occur, changes in technology, changes in product, changes in resources, changes in raw material, several kinds of the changes occurs outside the production unit, outside the organization. Okay, now the one of you can say this, that organization always lead to adaptation to changes. Organization, a sound organization, an efficient organization, an organization which runs smoothly can easily adapt the changes. The changes may be in technology, the changes may be in the product, the changes may be in the resources, whatever. So this is one of the importance of the sound organization. Is it clear? Like we previously we have studied that that organization always lead to what? Specialization. Similarly, we have studied it lead to growth and diversification. Organization, a sound organization is also easily adapting the changes that occurs. It is very flexible. An organization is a flexible unit. Is it clear? While organizing, suppose they have decided something and there is some changes occur, changes may be in the product, changes may be in the technology, then a sound organization is always able to adopt those changes. That is the next point which we are going to study. So all of you open your book and see your sixth point of importance of organization. What is written? Adaptation to change. A sound organization is always adopting the new changes. Okay, a sound organization is always flexible. It is not rigid, that if the changes occur, if the technology is changing, if the product is changing, it's not so that they will not change their product. They will also change their product, their market structure, whatever changes that occur. All right, so organization is something which is flexible. Organization is something which is always ready to adopt the new changes. Now see all of you the point. A properly designed organization structure is flexible. I have already told you that a properly designed, in place of properly designed, you can also write a sound organization structure is flexible. Now, what do you mean by flexible? Flexible means it facilitates adjustment to changes in workload caused by changes in external environment. All right, it facilitate adjustment. It facilitate means what? That it is always ready to do the adjustment in the changes of the workload, which is and why this workload are changing? Caused by change in external environment. In the external, what do you mean by external environment here? External environment means outside that organization. If something is changing, then a sound organization is always facilitating to adjust those changes in their workload. They are always ready. They are always flexible. Next line. These changes, what are the changes? These changes may relate to technology, product, resources and market. Whatever changes, the changes may be in the technology, the changes may be in the product, the changes may be in the resources or maybe in the market. A sound organization is always ready to adopt those changes, is always ready to accept those changes, because a sound organization is always a flexible organization. Only till here you people have to write under this point, till the market. Okay, so adaptation to change, three facts you have to write. What is the first fact? A sound organization structure is flexible. What is the second? It always facilitates adjustment to changes in workload due to the changes in the external environment. Then these changes may be related to technology, product, resources, and market. They are ready to accept this. They are ready to adopt it. Is it clear? Only till here you people have to underline. Then next point, number 7, training and development of personnel. Yes, those who are the workforce, a sound organization always provide them training, always work for the development of the personality, work for the development of the skill of their personals. Personal means of their workload, of their laborers. Okay, see the point. Sound organization encourages initiative and create thinking on the part of employees. It always give training to its employees. Personnel here means its employees, its laborers. Okay, then it facilitates development of managerial talent at lower level through adequate delegation of authority. They always have a delegation of authority. They have a delegation means they have a group of authority which work for the development of managerial talent at lower level. Those who are the employees at the lower level. All right, those who are employees at the lower level, they want to they want to have development in their skills. To develop their skills, they always give training. And who gives the training? Training is given by adequate delegation of authority. Then it also recognizes merit for distribution of reward and promotion. Yes, those now, after giving this training and development, those employees will work efficiently and work hard. Then this organization, a sound organization, is always rewarding them. How a reward is given to an employee? By giving them promotion. Is it clear? So a sound organization is always providing training and working for the development of their employees. How they provide training and working for the development of their employees? It facilitates development of lower levels of employees by providing them training by the adequate delegation of authorities. It also recognizes that which employee, what is the line written? It also recognizes merit. Merit means it prepared the merit list. It's after giving the training, it just observe that which particular employee is working in what way. The employee who will work more efficiently, most efficiently, will be rewarded. How will be rewarded? Through promotion. Is it clear? So this is the another importance of organization. Then last importance of organization is aid to management. All right, aid, AID, aid. Aid means additional help is also provided to the management by the sound organization. Now see the point. Organization focuses managerial attention on the achievement of enterprise objective. Achievement of the enterprise. Enterprise means the production unit. Our organization always focus on managerial attention so that they will able to achieve the objective of the enterprise. They will able to achieve the objective of the enterprise. What do you mean by enterprise? Enterprise is the production house. In that they are doing the organizing. They are organizing the things. How they are organizing the things? They are organizing the things in such a way that they will able to fulfill the objective of the enterprise. Is it clear? Then it provides mechanism for directing all the work activities and human effort towards organizational goal. Yeah, it provides mechanism for directing, means it gives, it prepare a mechanism where it give a proper direction, okay, a proper direction for all the work activities and for all the human effort. so that they will able to fulfill their organizational goals. Further, it also enables the management to predict work activities of different individual and group so that action may be taken in time to correct any deficiency. So it also work for what? It also work to observe different individuals of the enterprise, different groups of the enterprise. And if it will find that any individual or a group in the enterprise is not working properly, then in time they will able to solve their inefficiency, they will able to correct their inefficiency. So proper aid is provided to the management through a sound organization. How it provides aid to management? It provides aid to management by focusing on the objective of the enterprise. It also provides a mechanism for giving direction to all the individuals and groups so that they can fulfill their managerial goals. Aid to management means those who are the management. Management here means those who are the owners. A sound organization help those owners so that they can efficiently run their management. So these are the importance. So till deficiency, you people have to underline the first paragraph of 8 point. Okay. So I have explained you people the points, and I have told you people that till where you people have to underline the points. Is it clear? So let me once revise the importance of organization. What is the first importance of organization? Specialization. What I told you, specialization, a sound organization always lead to a division and subdivision of the work according to the specialization. Because what? This line which I told you people, that what it does, similar jobs are grouped together into department and division. Is it clear? So they make the departments and division. First, they observe the activities, and after observing the activities, they do the division and subdivision, and they make different groups and departments. So these groups and departments are made on what basis? Made on the basis of specialization. So first importance. What is the second importance? Optimum use of resources. Which resources? Human person, because the one of the most important line, fitting the right person to the right job, is the most important line. And this is how they uses human resources to the optimum level. Further, coordination and cooperation. Individuals and authorities and different groups work with coordination with each other, with cooperation with each other. What is the next? Security and support. It provides, the most important line here, a sound organization structure is a source of security. Alright, it provides security to the managers and workers, both. Then what is the next? Growth and diversification. Organization provide the framework within which an enterprise, a production unit can expand and can grow. How it provided a framework? The next line. How it provides? Multiply its strength. It increases its strength. Alright, then keeping the various activities under control. Through this, they help the enterprise to grow and expand. Then adaptation to change, I told you. A sound organization is always ready to adopt the changes. A sound organization structure is flexible. It easily adopts the changes in technology, product, resources, market, etc. Training and development of personnel. Okay, a sound organization provides a proper training and work for the development of their employees through adequate delegation of authorities. What is the next? It also provides aid to the management because it helps to fulfill the goals of the management. It works for obtaining the objective of management. It helped the management to fulfill its aims and objective. Is it clear? So these are the importance of an organization. Okay, now total 8 are given. That is, you see importance of organization at a glance in this. Now you people have to write the heading in commerce, and whatever I have told you people, only this much you people have to write. I made you people underline. Now we need to start with the steps in the process of organize. What are the steps they follow in the process of organization? What are the steps they follow in the process of organization? Okay, I told you that we have studied just now in the importance that organization actually start with specialization. A sound organization always divide and subdivide its activities into different groups. So that is the first step. Division of work. What is the first step? Division of work. It divides the work into different groups. All right, and several into different groups. Which, how they make the group? According to the similarity, they make the group. According to the specialization, they make the group. So first step in the process of organizing is division of work. Then second, grouping jobs or activities. Third, after grouping, they will assign, they will give them their duties. And the fourth one is what? Fourth one is delegation of authority. I told you just now, under the point training and development of personnel. Delegation of authority. One delegation is there of higher level authority who work to give the training to the personnel, to the employees. That's why delegation of authority is prepared in the fourth step, and the final step is coordinating all the activities. Is it clear? Now let us see point wise. The first point you see, division of work. You see the point, and first underline, then I will explain you. The first point, the first step in organizing is to divide the total work to be done into specific jobs. The total work which has to be done, the total work, they divide into specific jobs. The first thing. Okay, then dividing the work into job is necessary because the entire work cannot be done by one individual. Obviously, in an enterprise, in a production unit, there are various kinds of the work need to be done. Marketing, collection of raw material, looking after into the technology, looking into the variety of the product, looking into the new invention, looking into the new method, how to manage the organization. There are several things which has to be done in an enterprise. And it is not possible for one individual to do all those points. It is not possible for one individual to look after all those things. So that's why what they do, under the first step, they divide the total work into specific job. And why they divide the total work into the specific job? Because all the work cannot be done by one individual. Further, each job consists of certain related tasks which can be performed by an individual. Certain related tasks, मैंने बोला, जैसे collection of raw material है तो एक department बना देंगे, टेक्नोलॉजी का मैटर है तो एक डिपार्टमेंट बना देंगे, मार्केटिंग हैंडल करना है तो एक डिपार्टमेंट बना देंगे, रिसोर्सेज को हैंडल करना है तो एक डिपार्टमेंट बना देंगे, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स कलेक्ट करना है तो एक. द रिलेटेड टास्क, फॉर रिलेटेड टास्क दे विल मेक द सेपरेट ग्रुप्स. That is the first step. That is dividing the work, because every work cannot be done by one individual. And we are in the world of specialization. So different workers does different work according to their specialization. That is what done under this stage of production unit, that is organizing. So see, each job consists of certain related tasks which can be performed by an individual. Related tasks. are performed by an individual. Then division of work facilitates specialization of effort and skill. That is the most important part of division of work, because division of work always lead to specialization of effort and work. Only this first paragraph you people have to write under the first step, that is division of work. So what I told you under division of work, the first step in organizing is to divide the total work into different specific jobs. Division of work is done because it is not possible for one individual to do the total work. That is why each job of certain related task can be performed by an individual. Okay, and division of work always lead to specialization of effort and skill. This is the first paragraph you people have to write under the step 1. Now let us see the step 2. All of you see the step 2. Okay, under step 2, what is the name of the step 2? Grouping jobs or activities. Organizing jobs or activities. That is the second step. First step we have done, division of work. Now see the organizing jobs or activities. Okay, under this you people have to write classification of similar tasks in one group. Grouping jobs or activities. You can also write for this, you can write right at the top of the heading, grouping jobs or activities. Underline this, and at the just above this you write grouping jobs or activities means classification of similar task. Classification of similar task. That can also be written in place of grouping jobs or activities. Now see all of you the point. Once job and activities are defined, the next step is to classify or group them into manageable unit. Yeah, as I told you, the first thing they will do is that the total work they will divide into specific jobs. अब उनको ये पता है कि these are the specific jobs. अब दूसरा step क्या होता है? दूसरा step होता है to classify or group these specific jobs into manageable units. What do you mean by manageable units? They will make units or departments, and they will appoint the head of each unit and department, and that head will be responsible for that particular unit or department. That is the meaning of manageable units. So what they will do, once they will divide the total work into specific jobs, after doing this they will classify or group them into manageable unit and place each group of activities under the charge of a manager. I have already told you. Is this clear? That is the second step. After dividing the work into specific jobs according to the specialization, the next step, what they will do, they will classify or group these specific jobs into manageable units and place each group or a group of activities under the charge of a manager. Then similar or related activities are combined and grouped into larger unit called department. Okay, similar or common activities, I have already told you. Similar or common activities, they will combine together and they will form one department. Further, department, division or section. Then this process of grouping activities is called what? Department. So what do you mean by department? Department means when related activities are combined and grouped together, then it is called what? Departments. Then work divided into job is combined to facilitate unit of what? Effort. The departments so created are linked together on the basis of their independence. Till here is the second point. So what is the first point? Division of work. Because total work cannot be done by one individual, so they divide the total work into specific jobs according to the specialization of effort and skill. What is the second step? Grouping jobs or activities. Once the activities are divided into specific jobs, the next step is to classify or group them into manageable units, and each manageable unit is put under the charge of a manager. Then similar or related activities, they will combine and group them together. Similar or related activities, they will combine or group them together, which is called what? Department. Is it clear? Which is called department. And these all department actually are interdependent on each other because they work in the enterprise with cooperation and coordination with each other. Cooperation and coordination, we have already studied one of the importance. So second step only till here. Now see the third step. What is the third step? Assigning duty. So once they have made a manageable unit and they have put that manageable unit under the charge of a manager, they have combined the related activities into a group which is called department. This they have done. Now they will give the duties. They will assign the duties. That is the third step. Now see all of you. Each group of activities assigned to an individual best suited to perform it. Yes, each group of activity. The activity of each group is assigned. Is assigned means the activities of each group is looked after by an individual, the individual who is best suited to do that particular activity. And how that individual will be best suited to do that particular activity? When that individual will be specialized in that. So assigning duties is the third step. Now see all of you, each group of activity is assigned to an individual best suited to perform it. The individual who can perform that activity in a best possible way, only that individual will be assigned with that particular activity or that particular duty. Is it clear? If the person is not suitable, suppose somebody is specialized in, in marketing. Individual A is specialized in marketing, then that marketing will be given to individual A only because that individual A is the best suited to perform that particular activity. Is it clear to all of you? So that is the third step. So till where you people have to write the third step? Each group of activities assigned to an individual best suited to perform it, while assigning duties, the qualification, experience, aptitude of people should be given due consideration. Obviously, how I said a person A is specialized in marketing because he has taken his degree in marketing. So how it is decided that this particular person is best suited for performing this particular duty? According to his qualification, according to his experience, according to his aptitude. Till here only, till consideration, you people have to write your third point. Okay. Now, see the fourth duties. What is the fourth duty? Delegation of authority. I have told you. Delegation, adequate delegation of authority, give training to the employees. Now, after doing everything, the fourth step they will appoint a delegation of authority. Okay, so that they can train their employees and they can help in their development of the skills and specialization. Now, see the point, all of you. After assignment of duties, appropriate authority is delegated to each individual. Appropriate authority. Now, each individual is given their duties. When each individual will give their duties, now these individuals will be delegated with an appropriate authority. They will have their authority, higher level authority. Then, for example, the production manager is given the authority to purchase material and machinery. What authority is given to the production manager? The production manager is one of the individual. What is his authority? That he can purchase materials and machinery, decide quantity and quality of output, and so on. Without such authority, a person cannot carry out the assigned job. Authority, a power, delegation of authority, a power is given to an individual so that he can perform his task. That is fourth step. Now, not only till here, to carry out the assigned jobs, only till here you people have to write your fourth point. Now see the fifth point. Coordinating activities. The activities and effort of different individuals are then properly synchronized. Interrelationship between different positions are clearly defined so that everybody knows from whom he has to take order. So this is something very important line under this point. Interrelationship between different positions are clearly defined so that everyone in the enterprise knows properly that from whom he has to take the order. The person must know who is the person from whom he has to. So proper coordination is done by the sound organization. Then, and to whom he can issue orders. Coordination is the working of different departments and individual is necessary for teamwork and efficient performance. Till here you people have to write your fifth point. So today I have completed your steps of or in the process of organizing. What is the first step? Division of work. What is the second step? Combining jobs or activities. What is the third step? Assigning duties. What is the fourth step? Delegation of authority. Okay. And what is the last step? Coordinating activities. And I made you people underline till where you people have to learn from the book. Now tomorrow I'm going to start. The organization is of two types. Formal organization and informal organization. I'm going to do both tomorrow. Formal, informal meaning and distinguish between formal and informal. For today this much. Thank you children.